Experiencing issues with Valorant not opening on Windows 11? I'll share a fixes to resolve this problem. Stay tuned for a quick solutions to ensure your Valorant gaming experience is smooth and uninterrupted. Right-click Valorant and choose Properties. Under the Compatibility tab, tick the box of Run this program in compatibility mode, then choose an older OS. Click the drop-down list and choose an older version of Windows. Click on OK to save the changes. Launch Device Manager by searching for it on the search bar. Expand Display Adapters by clicking the toggle. Right-click the GPU driver and choose Scan for hardware changes. Let Windows automatically search for the latest driver for GPU and install it on your PC. Right-click the Valorant icon and choose Run as Administrator. See if the game runs with this option activated. If it does, close it and set admin settings permanently by following the next step. Launch Task Manager in Windows 11 by typing Task Manager into the search box and clicking the result. Under the Processes tab, find Riot processes, usually have a Valorant or Riot logo. Click one and choose End Task. Press the Win+X key combination and choose Settings. Choose the Windows Update button from the left pane. Click the Check for Updates button and wait for Windows to install them. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.